Hi dear viewers, Professor Fayu here with another very important research, very interesting and wonderful research. So we are going to discuss a very important topic. Let's join me for known very interesting and informative facts. Let's start. Who explains to the newborn child that he should cry when he is hungry to attract the mother's attention? Who encourages the mother to save the children's life by raising her chest in front of every danger? A small bird comes down to compete with the hawk. Who gave him this courage? Chicks come out from the egg and start walking. Who teach them? Who guide them? Who puts love in the hearts of animals? Who taught them these manners of life? Honeybees go distant gardens, suck the juice from each flower and bring it to the hive with the utmost honesty, and also knowing the kinds of flowers that some of them are poisonous. They never go towards these. Don't go to them like a skilled engineer who knows the art of separating honey and wax. They also make it out of wax, which even the greatest architect has been surprised to see this manufacturing. Who taught the life cycle of plants, germs and bacteria have maintained their survival for millions of years. Our pancreas maintains a certain amount of sugar in the blood so that the heart does not have a problem in pumping blood 70 to 80 times in a minute. So interesting. And think that by the time a person reaches 75 years of life, the heart of a person has 3 billion times pump the blood in the body. So interesting, so inspiring. Our kidneys are unique and strange cleaning factories that know what is useful for the body in the blood and keep it. Other are wastage. Our stomach is a complex chemical factory that separates life-giving components such as proteins, carbohydrates, etc. into the bloodstream and expels waste. These masterpieces of engineering in the human body, unique examples of science. These incredible factories in the teeny stomach. Did it all happen like this? Do you think any authority controlling these? Who made the brain's tongue and locked it in the bones and placed it in water? It is a tower of wisdom, store of information, center of orders and communications between man and his environment. Who control these all activities of the brain? A brain is a computer of human have not yet understood its structure and design by any scientists, despite millions of efforts have been done. No any supercomputer built by human hands and mind that reaches and cover the all aspects of brain. Who programming this all? Who engineer of this all? Who is the planner of this all process of brain? Plant is imprinted within their seeds, never ever known what is in the seed but the creator. Any authority is there who known all these things. Moreover, who has taught and explained how the human lips, tongue and palate move in hundred of ways? Who creates all kind of intelligent sounds from these movements? Who gives them meaning? Who is the creator of millions of words and thoughts of human? Who teaches thousands of languages to the human? All these things to think, all these things to test, all these things to understand. Who is doing all these things and who is controlling all these things? Please think, who is the authority? Who is the creator of all these things? You think for yourself and decide who is the authority and correct yourself and try to find out for yourself who is in control of all these things behind the scene. A cell which is hardly visible even with a microscope becomes a strong, intelligent human being. how it is done. Who taught them these principles of social management? The spider creates such a web of prey with its saliva that even modern textile engineers is unable to create such a sophisticated web, and this web is only created by for hunting the tiny birds, for eating, for food, for survival of the life. Who teach the spider to do this and do it in this manner? Millions of spiders working in a systematic way. There is no example and comparison in the world. If we see towards Earth, is the Earth so intelligent that it has automatically worked and automatically tilted 67.5 degrees on its axis only for changing of weathers in whole over the world and all the year, and also for the people living on it get all kind of vegetables, fruits? Has the earth also automatically established a powerful north-south magnetic system within itself so that its influence keep lightning in the clouds, and even ships sailing the ocean and planes flying in air find their way with the power of this magnet, so that the creature on earth is protected from this deadly affected rays and life continues. When there is a shortage of water in the winter, the water accumulates in the form of snow on the mountains, and during the summer when more water is needed, this frozen water melted and flows back toward the sea in the form of canals and rivers, and also it goes with irrigating the plains also. It's a wonderful balanced system that feeds everyone and nothing goes to waste. Who taught them these principles of social management to the earth? Did you think? The basic object of this all movements of earth that the season change throughout the year, sometimes spring, sometimes summer, sometimes winter, and sometimes autumn. Moreover, the earth atmosphere changes nitrogen in nitrous oxide to provide new natural fertilizer for plants on the rainfall land. Today we study and discuss a very important creature, its working style, and try to understand how it is happening and who is the creator and mastermind of all these things, all these processes, and understand who is the mastermind behind all these things. Then write it my comments and pay me too. Your comments will increase my knowledge. Keep watching my videos, liking and sharing also. Keep increasing your knowledge and also my knowledge. Like my channel and follow it. A bundle of thanks for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.